Our goal is to get it up to 15 exahash by this summer. And based on today's difficulty and today's Bitcoin price, we'd be doing $300 million in revenue by that time. So that's like a dollar a share US. It looks pretty handsome as a growth profile over the next 6 months.
Very welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Frank Holmes. He is the executive chairman of Hive Digital Technologies. And Frank, great to see you again. How are you?
I'm great. Last week was in Paraguay.
Yes, you're back home now, which is good. I know you've been traveling a lot, and we're glad we're able to get an interview with you to talk a bit about what's going on at Hive, because you've announced your November production numbers, and again showing quite a bit of growth. Congratulations on that, Frank.
Especially, Steve, our HODL position. That is our Bitcoin production that we're able to put on our balance sheet each month. And it's increased to 2,713 Bitcoin. That's up 67% from a year ago. We produced 103 Bitcoin last month. And if you take a look at the value of that 2,713 Bitcoin, that's 261 million US. So that means that when you're buying Hive stock as a proxy for Bitcoin, almost half the value is Bitcoin, and it's growing every month. So it's an interesting and unique proxy. It's the only proxy that is a mining company that sources green energy to mine and hodl those Bitcoin.
And Frank, you talked last time about the machines and just the efficiency of those new machines that you got. And you ordered some other ones that's going to go to Paraguay, but the ones that you have working right now that you were in November continue to really pump out what you're looking for.
Yeah, well, that's a good point. 22.3 joules per second, as they like to call it, for mining efficiency. We're going to get that down by 40% over the next 3 to 4 months. So that's really important. So they even become more efficient as a complex. And I think the other exciting part was that we averaged about 5.3 exahash, and Stifel gave us a recommendation. They increased it to $10 a share, the stock price.
Yeah. Frank, talk to me about, obviously Paraguay will be coming online eventually, and that'll obviously add to the bottom line. Can you get more out of the operations you have right now? I know you're using these efficient machines, but you talk about scaling operations, and that's Paraguay. But can you get more out of what you're getting right now? Because 67% is a pretty good number.
Yes, our goal is to get it up to 15 exahash by this summer. And based on today's difficulty and today's Bitcoin price, we'd be doing $300 million in revenue by that time. So that's like a dollar a share US. It looks pretty handsome as a growth profile over the next 6 months.
Yeah. And lastly, Frank, I know we're sort of ending off 2025 and 2024 rather, and heading into 2025. Are you happy with the progress you've seen in the company this year and really excited for next year?
Yes, we went through this halving where your production was going to halve, and we've shown a 67% increase in our HODL position. We function over 9 time zones, 5 languages converted back to English for filings, and we still rank up as a top most efficient mining company. So I'm very proud of our team. Right now, we're in Vancouver. I'm not able to make it. I got a bit of a cold flying back from Paraguay, but they're all planning the strategy for the growth next year of what can we do to increase it from 15 exahash. So it's very exciting times for Hive.
Well, congratulations on that. Good to see you as well. Get better, my friend, and we'll talk to you again soon, okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right, Frank Holmes, the executive chairman of Hive Digital Technologies.